deal? Trading a Sportster for the Beetle.
Yeah, well, you can have that too.
All right, we got parts loaded in the caboose. We're ready for the transformation of BrewDub itself. So it's gonna be out for a little bit, but it'll be for the better. Gonna miss him, but things are happening. Stay tuned. Let's roll out.
Do I feel bad for Craig? It is at least 96 out. I got the AC cranking. You probably can't even hear me. And he's in the Beetle. We were so close and it started raining. I was like, oh no. Keeper. You got your Lucky Charms looking over the Beetle for you.
All right, so we finally got it in its home. It's gonna be here for, I don't know how long, but we're gonna get the transmission pulled out, the engine pulled out, and do a little work to it. I think we have good protection here in the garage and the skeletons, you know, I think we'll be okay. So stay tuned for the next happenings. And we could always, I could push this trailer anywhere. Just to get it out of the way.
Is this a Will It Run episode?
Yeah, he did run it when we were down there. Like, I don't know how we got it. Like I said, the clutch, I couldn't. When I pull the clutch, it didn't even go in neutral. It was still in gear. Just like a magneto on there, was it?
Pulled it right.
Is it up? It's good point.
I don't know what. Okay, this probably is off, and this might be.
That makes sense.
It goes both ways. That's weird. Yeah.
So we can
From this
fuel?
Pitcock, yeah.
You want
I
that?
just did this back one. One that showed on, I guess.
So are you gonna do the trade now? So are you gonna do the trade now?
Yeah.
What's the deal? Trading the Sportster for the Beetle?
Yeah, well, he can have that too. He can put it in the title there.
Yeah, I just probably need like a new wiring. Go through all the wirings, put a new wiring harness on it. Just make your own, right? Make your own harness. And
The one I had a magneto choke on it.
All right, so we're back in the garage here with BrewDub. We're draining the oil. We're draining the engine oil and the transmission oil because the engine and transmission are coming out. So let's get started on that real quick. Right. All right, we got the oil drain in the engine, oil drain in the transmission. Now I got to go and remove the tow bar. So I got it attached to the transmission cradle. There's 2 bolts there, and I got 2 as well in the bumper to address that. Oh, okay. That works. All right, next step, we're going to remove the exhaust so I can pull the engine. Vehicle on rollers. I got a jack underneath the engine. The bolts are loosened up on the engine. I'm going to have Father BrewDub come out here and help me. Give it a little off. Looks like it's coming through okay. It's coming out. See, I'll get under here, just peek. Let me lift it a little bit more. Okay, yeah, we'll wanna, maybe lift it a little bit, just a hair. Okay, well, that's, actually do a little more. Okay, that might be okay. Now we'll just try to pull it out. Yeah, we'll just try to kind of rock it out. There it is. It's coming out now. All right. Probably good there. Let me see if it's hitting. Yeah, let me see how far. Yeah, we're hitting here. Probably because of the exhaust. Let's see if I can lower it for a second, see if that doesn't. I'll try maybe. Oops. Yeah. Pull this out of there. I wonder if I can. We might be out of it now. Lift it a little bit. Right there. Like I said, it's probably that exhaust. I just can't get that. Okay, yeah, we're out on my end. You might be out. You might be yours too, huh? Okay.
You want to look? See?
Yeah. Yep, we're all good. So I'll jack it up a little. I'll try to feed it in a little, maybe. See if I can let it down. All right, let me get a better bite on this. I just finished lowering. Just to get it out. Yeah, I know. Yeah, on mine, I always have to pull the exhaust out. But like I said, I can't get this one stud out. Fortunately, it's broken off in there. So let's just see if we can kind of hang it up here. Yeah, if I could pull that off, that exhaust off, I think we'd be okay.
$5. Maybe we can in there.
Yeah, maybe we should probably try that. If I could just try it out on the bottom. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, because I'm hitting the body, that's why we can't get out. I can see the muffler.
Got a real bad rear main seal leak in here. You guys can see in there, we got some oil leakage in here, bunch in there. Okay, engine is out. We got that there. And next is getting this transmission out. As you can see, we got some oil in the bell housing. We got a rear main seal leak. We'll take care of that. Let's get this transmission out. All right. Engine, transmission is out, and we're about ready to hit the transmission shop. Here we go. All right, transmission's loaded up. Let's go.